everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hello, if you're new here, it's lovely to have you and I hope you choose to stick around and subscribe. It's completely free and entirely up to you. It just means I pop up in your subscription boxes every time I upload a new video. On to today's video, and I'm actually taking it back a few weeks to the August bank holiday weekend. We went to Honiton Steam Fair, and in amongst a busy few weeks since, I completely forgot that I had actually vlogged that day. So I am finally bringing you this vlog. It was such a lovely family day out. It was also the first day out that we did with Trixie after her operation, and we were a little bit unsure about how it was going to go, but it was really lovely and Trixie handled it so well. Nellie and Trix really got on, and yeah, it just brings me joy because that's all I ever wanted. So yeah, I hope you enjoy the footage that I've taken. I chose not to do this one in a story time just because the atmosphere there and the noises, I just thought I'd give a little bit of an insight into some of the sights and sounds. Obviously you can't get the smells, which is very unfortunate because a steam fair to me smells amazing. It's very, very nostalgic, but you can at least get the sights and the sounds. We spent a lot of time looking around the exhibits. We got really engrossed into watching the tractor pull in. That was so much fun, especially to get front row seats as well, was amazing. And Nellie, of course, fell in love with the horses, as I just knew she would. She did at the White Horse military show, and this was no different. It is on every year, so if it is something that you are interested in doing in the future, head over to the Honiton Steam Rally website where it will have all the information about the next day. It is usually on August bank holiday weekend. It's normally on the Sunday and then the Monday. The Monday is actually an auction more than just the show, so yeah, there's plenty of lots that you can have a look around and put your bid in. And it's not just steam engine stuff, there is all sorts of stuff there. I could quite easily have spent loads of money this year and last year, so definitely worth checking out as well. But I hope you enjoy this video and I'll see you all next time.
Funnily enough, they all appear to be made. Take that, Ken. And up there, we stay on a little sort of small farm where the guy is an agricultural engineer.
You're hunting away there. So wait for the breeze on the track. So you've got breeze on the track. We'll start building up some revs. We'll start building up some revs. Free to go when he wants. Just slipping the clutch a little bit, get the boost up. There comes the smoke. The wheels are turning. The car's coming forward. We'll do the test call today.
Got a smaller turbo, got my big turbo. Time in there, smaller. That's what you call the most powerful motor sport in the world. Coming up next, we've got a big old Volvo F60. Let's see what we can do. That's a P6 tractor that the engine was done up with. Back to the ramrod beard. For the third run of our competition here. Or whatever, you could probably do, yeah, maybe 10 acres if you were lucky. That's the bigger one in line, 15 acres a day, yeah, probably no less. Yeah. Yeah, definitely. And what are you doing now with your machine today? You'll pull the lever up in a minute, anytime now, and you'll see that on the move. There we go. Years old, this was my job. I used to go around with an agricultural contractor on a couple of massive 410s, and I don't think he ever paid me. I can't ever remember, but at the end of the day, I saved him a lot of money because.
We know you've seen it.
I said if you ring out, I said you know the